True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm in the Maggotty area. Yeah man, so I'm in the Maggotty area. I'm giving a tour of the Maggotty area, guys, in ST.ELIZABETH. It's a small town in ST.ELIZABETH. So all the people that come at the Maggotty school, if you don't remember them place here, you can leave it in the comment section. Yeah man, so take a tour of this town area. Yeah man, if you all know the so this is Maggotty town area. See Balaclava, Akongpong, Carries Brook. So if you make the left turn, it will take you all to the Carries Brook area. Yeah man, but I'm just drive around the town area and show you what I go on, you know. So I will take you all to the Maggotty school area and show you that area also. So you realize me drive around the town areas like it's a roundabout. It's a round, come around in a circle. So I'm heading towards the Maggotty High School area, which would be on your left right here. So this is where we drive, come to the Maggotty High School. So don't be afraid to tour your beautiful island Jamaica, guys. We are the entrance to the high school. We're gonna turn right here. Yes, we're gonna make a turn right here. Keep our environment clean. So remember the Apple Valley Estate. Yeah man, Apple Valley Estate. I heard that they're gonna remodel that place now, and I don't know what's the name gonna be. I don't know if the name gonna remain as the Apple Valley Estate. Same way, cannot tell. I'm gonna make the left turn right at the Cool Oasis gas station. Yeah man, see people are selling them food here, them chicken and all different types of food in the area. How can we forget our beautiful island? And this is the entrance to Upper Valley Estate. Kind of look different. All the bamboo them blow down and thing, you know. So we're in the Maggotty area. So in the Maggotty area they have a JPS hydro plant. Hydro mean water. So around this area they produce electricity by the hydro dam.